Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create truly impactful presentations using Canva. Whether you're working on a school project, pitching to clients, or organizing information for a meeting, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create gorgeous professional presentations without needing any design experience. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva.com. If you don't have a Canva account yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up and you'll be up and running in just a minute or two. Once you're on the home page, look for that bold Create button, usually sitting right up top or on the main dashboard. Go ahead and give it a click. This is where you'll unlock all the different project types Canva offers. Next, from the list of options, select Presentation. This tells Canva exactly the kind of design you want to make, and it'll set up the right dimensions and tools for you automatically. You won't have to worry about whether your slides are the right size for a classroom projector or your next Zoom call. Canva has you covered. Now you'll see a dazzling gallery of templates unfold in front of you. This is where the real fun begins. Take a moment to browse and find a template that fits the tone and topic of your presentation. Maybe you want something clean and modern for a business meeting, or maybe something colorful and playful for a classroom or creative pitch. Don't rush this part. A good template provides a solid foundation and can save you a ton of time later. If you're not sure what to pick, try searching keywords related to your topic, like marketing, education, or portfolio, right in the Canva search bar. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to make it your own. Canva offers fantastic combo text options and special styles that bring a lot of life and personality to your slides. Combo text means thoughtfully paired fonts and layouts. Think of it like preset duos that make your header and subheader look like they were designed by a pro. When you use these, your slides instantly look more polished and appealing. Experiment a little, try swapping out default titles with your own, and switch between style options to see what resonates with your message. Editing the slides is really easy. Click into any element, whether it's text, images, or shapes, and customize away. Don't be afraid to adjust the color scheme to match your brand, drag and resize elements, or swap images for ones that better tell your story. If you're feeling creative, add your own graphics or photos. Just be mindful not to overcrowd your slides. Remember, less is often more when it comes to clear communication. One step people often overlook is adding transitions between slides. This might seem small, but transitions add a layer of professionalism, making your presentation flow smoothly from one idea to the next. In Canva, you can find transition options above your slide list. Play around with fades, slides, or other effects, but keep it subtle. You want to impress, not distract. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share your work. Hit the Share button at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see options to invite collaborators present directly from Canva or download your presentation. If you're presenting offline or want to email your slides, choose the download option and select your preferred file type. PDF is always a safe bet for presentations. And just like that, you're ready to wow your audience with a professional, impactful presentation, all thanks to Canva. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.